Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We got this ice cream cone and put it on the top of the cupcake. Here we are going to make a tree design. So remove the green color of cream on the top of the cone, decorate it further using stars and some colorful balls as well. These type of cupcake designs are perfect for different festive seasons. So you can create these designs at home, sprinkle some sugar and it's ready. First, we are going to remove this red color of cream, put a snowflake and it's ready. Second, we are going to remove this white color of cream. You can take these type of nozzles and make the flower petals like this. And look how pretty this is looking. Spin the cupcake like this. You can put some golden balls and look, it's ready. Make some leaves as well and it's done. Similar way, you can create more such designs. First, we are going to use this type of nozzle and create the flower petals. After this, we are going to change the nozzle and remove this cream on the top of the flower. We are going to make the seeds of the sunflower using brown color of cream. And look, it's ready. You can create this at your home as well. Here we are going to make the flower petals. So remove this beautiful cream on the top of the cupcake like this and look, it's ready. After this, we are also creating some more designs like this and look how pretty these cupcake designs are looking. Here we are going to remove this purple color of cream. Look how beautiful this flower is looking. You can use these type of nozzles and remove the cream in a curvy way like we are doing here in this video. You can see how we are doing here in slow-mo. And look, your flower is ready. We're going to make this rose flower. In place of this color, you can also use pink or white or red as you can see in the video and sprinkle some glitter and silver balls on the top of it. You can make these type of nozzles. You can easily get it from market and you can easily make flowers using it. After making the flowers, we are going to make the leaves as well. Similar way, you can make large flowers as you can see in the video. There are large rose flowers and you can create any designs using this technique. And look, after this, you can also sprinkle some colorful balls and it's done. We are going to make this beautiful rose flower cupcake design and we are using 3 different colors here. So yeah, you can also use only one in place of 2-3 colors. Now we are going to remove the leaves as well and cover the side of the cupcake. You can take different nozzles like this and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.